how to delete MEXC account step by step. Hi everyone, welcome back to Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, we will be learning how you can delete your MEXC account. So first of all, before deleting your account, make sure that you have withdrawn all the funds from your MEXC account. Cancel any open orders, remove your API keys if any, and make sure that you do all of this before deleting your account, since the account once deleted will not be able to be recovered. So first of all, launch open the MEXC application and make sure that you withdraw all the funds and do that. And once you are done with it, the next thing to do is to go to the top left corner from the home page of MEXC and tap on your profile icon. Once you're inside this page, scroll down and tap on Security. Inside the Security tab, go ahead and tap on Manage Account. On the next page, you'll see two different options, that is Freeze Account and Delete Account. If you don't want to delete your account completely, you can also opt for the freeze account option. But if you're really sure you would like to delete your account, you don't need the account anymore, just tap on the delete account option. Now, select a region for the deletion and click Next. Agree to the terms and conditions up above by tapping on the circle at the bottom and tap Next. You'll then see this pop-up menu. Tap on the Get Code button right next to Email Verification Code, and you'll receive a 6-digit verification code to your registered email inbox. Go open your email inbox and open up the email for the registered email, and once you do that, you'll receive a code from MEXC. Copy the code inside it, get back to MEXC app and paste in the code in the first field. Now, if you've enabled the authenticator as well, go ahead and open up your authentication app. Copy the code inside it for MEXC and paste it in. Finally, click Submit. Now go ahead and make sure that you've tap on the Next button once again. Agree to all the terms and conditions and tap Next again. And now enter your password for your MEXC account in the last step. Finally, click Confirm, and if the password is correct, your account will be permanently deleted in 15 days. Until the 15 days period is over, you will be able to cancel the deletion. Just open up the app and you'll see this kind of an interface where you need to tap on Cancel Deletion if you change your mind. But if you choose to delete your account, then don't cancel the deletion. Wait for 15 days and your account will be permanently deleted in 15 days period. So that is how you can easily delete your account on MEXC. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.